Are we heading for another housing crash in 2025? Or will it finally be the year to buy or sell your dream home? The answer might surprise you, so stick around because this is the most important market prediction at the very end of this video and you don't want to miss it. Okay, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Kentucky or even the Tennessee area, subscribe to our channel below. My name is Melissa, and my team and I, we get calls and emails every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Kentucky, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we would be happy to schedule time to meet with you on Zoom and help you make it a smooth move to Kentucky. Now, before we dive into market predictions, just let me say, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm a realtor and not in charge of U.S. monetary policy, so I can't predict the future. And if I could, you bet I'd be on a beach somewhere. But my market prediction videos for last year was pretty spot on, even when others were making totally different predictions. So let's see if we can do it again for 2025. So let's recap 2024. As you're aware, 2024 was a challenging year for the housing market. But did it crash? No. It certainly slowed down. The nationwide existing home sales hit their lowest level since 1995. That was worse than the 2008 financial crisis. And in South Central Kentucky, we saw moderate growth in home prices and a return to pre-COVID market norms. December's Fed meeting gave us a glimpse at 2025, and a slight interest rate cut may be continued, but inflation concerns linger. So if you've been waiting for drastically lower rates, it's time to rethink that strategy. I'm not making any predictions. I don't have a crystal ball, but I can tell you right now, I don't see anything huge on the horizon. So if you're thinking about making a move in 2025, I wouldn't wait for the rates to change. That's just my opinion. So the mortgage rates trajectory will heavily influence the market, with only a projected rate cut of about 25% each. Now that's according to the Fed. So we won't see rates in the 2 to 3% range again. The 4 to 6% range will become the new normal. About inflation. Everything the Fed is doing is laser focused right now on a 2% inflation rate. So until we see that, we're not going to see significant rate drops according to the Fed. And sales growth. Home sales are projected to increase by 10% year over year. Now this reflects pent-up demand as buyers adjust to new market realities. Home values, well, we expect some relatively flat market values, but some areas are going to see as much as a 5% increase. South Central Kentucky could stabilize with steady price growth and healthier inventory levels. Now my advice for buyers is this: don't wait for rates to drop. Waiting could cost you more in rising home prices and competition. Instead, take advantage of today's cooler market conditions, negotiate for your closing costs, rate buy-downs, or other perks. And remember, even a small rate reduction can be achieved through creative financing, giving you more purchasing power now. Advice for sellers? Well, the days of skyrocketing equity are over for the time being, but now is still a great time to sell. With inventory rising, competition is getting tougher, so proper pricing and marketing are going to be key. Use your accumulated equity to offset today's higher rates and move into a home that better fits your needs. So, will 2025 be the year you make your move? Here's the bottom line. The market is shifting towards stability. Waiting for the perfect rate or timing might mean missing out on opportunities that are available right now. So if you're ready to explore your options, let's connect. I'm here to help. And remember, the best decisions are made with the right information and guidance. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.